welcome to the world of programming. Now in this video, I'm going to explain how we can make use of C functions in Python programming. Okay, so let's get started. So in this case, I have considered a sample C code containing functions. So name of the file is arithmetic.c, and here I have considered three functions. One is connect function, second one is random function, and the third one is addNum function. Okay, so this connect function is going to just display a printf message saying connected to C extension. Random message, random function is going to give you a random number. addNum function is going to perform addition operation between the two numbers. So I want to make use of these functions in my Python code. So for this purpose, we can make use of a command, or we can say there are a couple of techniques basically here. So the method one is the way we create a shared object file. Okay, so this is the method one. Immediately after executing this particular command, you will get a shared object file. With the help of shared object file, you can make use of C functions in Python program. So the other method is first creating the object file and then creating the shared object file from this newly created object file. Got it? So method one is directly creating the shared object file. Method two is creating the object file first and obtaining the shared object file from the object file that is newly created. Okay, so I prefer method one because it has only one command. Okay, so let's execute this and immediately you're done. Okay, so you can see this is a newly created shared object file. Okay, so now I'll make use of this shared object file in the Python code like this. Okay, so I'm going to call first function connect, which is written in the C program like this, and calling the second function, which is random function, like this, and calling the third function, which is addNum function in the C program, like this. Okay, so the moment you execute this, it will work. We have not written a single function in this Python code. You can see there is no such function like connect or random or addNum in the Python code. We have clearly imported all these functions from the C program, which we have written by making use of its shared object file. Okay, so you can see the output obtained here. If you observe the output obtained, connected to C extension is the printf statement written inside connect function in the C program. Okay, and making use of random function. Okay, this is obtaining a random number, right? Obtaining a random number. And next, addNum function is basically adding these two numbers, 20 plus 30, value is equal to 50, and that is obtained. So all these three functions which were written in the C program, we are able to access them from the Python program. Okay, so now from now onwards, you can make use of these two powerful languages, Python programming and C programming. Okay, you can write any function in C program and you can make use of it immediately in the Python wherever it is required. All the best, guys. Thank you.